So we decided to take a trip recently, and we encountered a huge issue. At the heart of any RV or motorhome is your power center. And this is what failed. We found this out when we were running our generator, and it just kept tripping. No matter what we did, the breakers just kept tripping. So after looking into it a little bit more, the cooling fan for the converter never turned on. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and we're gonna be looking at the Powermax PPC-30-35. This is a 35 amp power center. So what's in our coach is the Magnatech 6332 from 30 years ago. This style converter uses a transformer, and it's very old and dated and doesn't run as efficient anyway. So I decided to replace the whole thing. I turned to Amazon. So I found a model that I was interested in, but there's absolutely no information on this. There's no YouTube videos that I could find on this specific model. So I wanted to make this video to show you in the event that you might be interested in this model. So why don't we just take a brief overview look at this, just so you guys can see what I'm looking at and see if this is something that you would like to move forward with. And I'll have a link down below if you're interested. I will say that electricity isn't for everyone, and if you're not comfortable doing this kind of work, get somebody that is, or at least get an electrician. Opening up the door exposes two screws. You undo these screws and it flips down. And there's the inside of the panel. Here's your AC side, here's your DC side, and here's your converter. Everything's in one package. And on every 12-volt fuse, there is a light that will let you know if the fuse is blown. Another thing that's really neat with this specific power center is on the 12-volt side, you can see gray, purple, blue. Like for instance, 6 is blue. Now, if we were to turn the unit around, you can see 6 is blue. So, there it is. Orange is 3. Three, orange. And there's orange. Well, there you go, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the look at this model. I can't wait to get it installed and get back on the road. It's just funny how things work out sometimes. You have to be prepared. I don't think I can say that enough. Self-discipline and the want to learn and the want to try new things and get a little dirty and just pass on what you know. And I hope that I did that in this video. If you like what you saw, smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. What do you think? Is this a good model? Do you have one in mind that I should check out? Because I'm always looking for new things and information to pass along. Once again, thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and I'll catch you in the next one.